What is root cause medicine? Dr. George Moricz here with the Alzheimer's Treatment Centers of America. A year ago, I released an international bestseller, and none of this is here to impress you in any way, but to impress upon you the need for this book. It, I believe, was so well received because people knew, deep inside, you knew that there was a reason you got cancer. There was a reason you got dementia. There was a reason you had inflammation, autoimmune, issues with COVID. People know this, and yet people were afraid to ask. So it was very well received, and for that I thank you. A little more on dementia. So with over 100 root causes of dementia, it's no wonder that traditional therapies fail. You get an imaging scan, they promise you a therapy, maybe a pill, come back, we'll document your decline is what I call it. It's very disappointing. And I know some of you already have stories like this. If at any point during our discussion you said, hey, this doctor kind of gets what I'm saying, then you're really saying is that maybe I too should look into what's causing the dementia for a loved one. Because many of you are going to be caregivers. Your road is not going to be easy. In another section, we talk about the true cost and expense to the family. You're losing someone, one memory at a time. Other parts of your lives are changed. You don't recognize the person. But for many of you, you're still understanding that, hey, wait a second, if there's more than one cause, wouldn't you need a more complex way to evaluate it and treat it? Well, that's where artificial intelligence comes in. We've seen this used in other industries like commerce and space. So why wouldn't we now use it for this? So what is root cause medicine for dementia? Well, something that people had not talked about is what if you could do continual evaluation and individualized and customized treatment? Now that's really VIP concierge. It's not a question of whether you get access for a Z-Pack when you have a cold. You have dementia. So you need someone constantly looking and using the latest in AI, the latest in energetic therapies, the latest in nutrition science. Now, some of you have gone through the functional medicine approach. Functional medicine works great when you're 20, but when you're 50, you still have to rewind the person back to youth. And I write more about that in my bestseller, Root Cause Medicine. For others of you, you figured out, hey, look, I can't do this on my own. I can't just go to the regular doctors because it's always the same story. And for those of you, I invite you to read Chapter 7, Audible for those that like to listen, where I actually go through some of the latest in dementia science and Alzheimer's. And for some of you, you're already ready to take the next step. And for those of you who want to stop the decline using AI, contact us at Alzheimer's Treatment Centers of America. This is Dr. George Moricz, and thank you for listening.